Good morning, everybody. We're here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in the soda ash or sodium carbonate for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. So, we've got a beautiful women's XL V-neck tee that we are gonna do something a little special on. Let me make sure my framing's good on this shirt. Okay, I think I can live with that. So, plan for this one is I wanna pleat down, down, up, up, kind of like making an X-type pattern, and we'll see what we get. So, without further ado, let's start pleating. I want to start real fine with them and then spread out as I go on. So the first ones might be a little tighter, and then as we get on, they'll just build and get bigger and bigger. And I might even have to take these off for this one, but that's okay. I'm going to take off the gloves, make the pleating a little easier. I'm sure some people can pleat with gloves on, but I prefer the dexterity. It's only sodium carbonate at this point, people. Okay. Pleat it on down. Okay, let's see what we get. Getting swamped by bugs up here. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's leave that alone. And we're going to come in from this one. And we're going to pleat opposite. So let's see. We got that going both ways there. Let's just go ahead and do the other one. That way I'll figure out what I'm going to do for the bottom. I guess it's not going to quite be an X pattern, but it'll be something a little bit similar. I'll show you what I mean. I still do want to do an X pattern, but I didn't realize I had done that wrong for that. But that's okay. You know, I'm not the tie-dye expert. That would be the missus. So you get to watch me learn while you learn. Maybe we'll all learn something. Isn't that how it works? Okay. My thin on the inside, thick on the outside pleat is kind of hard to do, but that's okay. I probably should have just done them equal size all the way across, but it'll be alright. That's pretty far along, so I might even need to bring this one a few more across. Just to line it up with the other one. And then we're going to come up from the bottom like this. Just do an accordion fold all the way on up. I can see the rain over there, even though we're in the sunlight right now. It is coming on in. I'm just gonna fold that one up to like right there, I would say. Now wait till you see what we're gonna do here in a second with the extra on the end. That's what's going to make the difference here. Wait, I'm going the wrong direction. I'm sorry, y'all. I almost just pleated it all the way out. I'm going to go like this from the corner. You can tell I have not seen this design anywhere. I am just doing what I feel. feel there's good freedom in doing that every now and then. Not every time, obviously, but every now and then it's nice to just try something new. Just do what you feel. Okay. So now we've got this diamond-esque shape. And my plan is to take these and fold them up and inward like this. And then band those sides as such and see what we get. So let's go ahead and start the banding process. Trying to just make a real cool linear pattern, you know? I do know my pleats could have been a lot better, but that's okay. We're learning! And mostly I just want it to look unique. I don't want it to look perfect. When they look perfect, they look like they were purchased at a store somewhere. So, gives it a little bit of character. I think we could all benefit from a little bit of character these days. People seem to forget that a little bit of character, a little bit of what some would consider flaws or differences. It's what makes the world a beautiful place, people. If everything was the same, it wouldn't be that interesting. Here we got some aviation going on up there. Somebody's practicing their pitch and roll. Common occurrence in this place. We are out in the boonies, people. They like to fly out here. One more band, I think we'll be good to go. Boop. There it is in all its glory. So let's carry it on over to the dyeing rack. Now I've been trying to decide whether or not I wanted to do a tricolor or something different. But you know, I love my tricolors. So I think I am gonna do a classic, you know, red, yellow, blue, repeat tricolor on this one. So, to kick it all off, we got a little bit of fire red. Wait, what am I thinking, people? I'm telling you, I'm out of it today. Then we're going to throw in a little bit of gold and yellow. Make sure and get a good gradient going on there. And then some blue violet. See, that's what all the tips should be like. I'm gonna have to get us some fresh ones. Some freshies. Come back with a little bit of golden red right here for our gradient. And then golden red again right here. Oh, almost forgot, people. See? A little bit of blue right there. Blue violet. Splash the red again for our gradient. And then back to red on this side. That way we'll get our cool purples. Yellows. And right up through the middle of that, our blue violet. I saved it because we got that nice tip on there. See, we can just paint a line right through it. A blue violet. Come back with our yellow. So that we get a good even spread through there. Oh, look at that. Alrighty, let's go ahead and flip it. Let me grab my gloves. Flippy to the flop. Make sure and touch up all these. A little bit of red, a little bit of red, a little bit of red, a little bit of red. Yellow, 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 golden yellow. So all told, on this one we have fire red, golden yellow, and blue violet. Beautiful tricolor. Try to get that gradient real good, you know. A little bit of red, a little bit of red, a little bit of yellow in here, in these areas. There's one over here too. Where's that? Oh, yeah. Even another little touch of blue over here. Get all those good. Okay. She's looking pretty right. So let's go ahead and carry it on over to the drying rack. Middle shelf, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.